In a reactive world, emotional control is power. And the truth is, most people are not comfortable being alone. Being alone sounds simple. Just you, your space, your time. But for many people, that experience feels uncomfortable, sometimes even overwhelming. And it's not because being alone is difficult. It's because of what happens in that silence, the noise we depend on. Most people live in constant noise, conversations, phones, notifications, entertainment. There is always something happening, something to focus on, something to distract the mind. But when that noise disappears, the mind becomes louder. The thoughts that surface when you are alone, thoughts that were ignored begin to appear. Uncertainty, doubts, unresolved emotions, questions without answers. These thoughts were always there, but distraction kept them hidden. Now they are visible, and that visibility feels uncomfortable. The avoidance pattern. Because of this discomfort, people avoid being alone. They stay busy, stay connected, stay distracted, not because they enjoy it, but because they don't want to sit with their own thoughts, because they don't want to sit with their own thoughts. This creates a cycle. Avoidance reduces awareness, and reduced awareness slows growth. Identity without distraction. When you remove distractions, something important happens. You face your identity directly, not who you appear to be, not who you appear to be. Now, how others see you, but who you are without influence. That clarity can feel intense because it removes illusion. Emotional dependence. Another reason people struggle with being alone is emotional dependence. They rely on others for stability, for reassurance, for distraction. When that support is not present, their internal state becomes unstable, and that instability creates discomfort. The fear of self reflection. Self reflection is powerful, but it is not always easy. It forces you to see patterns, habits, decisions, sometimes things you would rather ignore, sometimes things you would rather ignore. So, instead of reflecting, people distract themselves. But avoidance does not remove reality, it only delays it. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, being alone is not something to escape. It is something to use. Time alone creates awareness. Awareness creates clarity. Clarity creates control. And control creates strength. The shift. When you stop avoiding solitude, something changes. The discomfort reduces. The mind becomes clearer. Your thoughts become more structured. You begin to understand yourself, and that understanding builds confidence. Not loud confidence, but stable confidence. The long-term effect. People who become comfortable alone develop stronger identity, better decisions, clearer direction, because their thinking is not influenced constantly. It is grounded internally. Remember something simple. If you cannot sit with yourself, you will always search for distraction. But when you can, you stop escaping and you start understanding. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions. or they will control you.